You will need to safely jack up and support your vehicle, along with removing the transmission under tray. To remove the transmission tray, remove the T30 Torx screws that connect it to the front tray, indicated by the blue arrows. Then remove the T30 Torx screws that connect it to the rear, red arrows. Then slide the tray forward and out from the plastic clips that hold it in place, green arrows. The crank position sensor, or CPS, is located at the bottom of the bell housing and indicated by the red arrow. You will need to use extensions as the steering rack, blue arrow, and front differential and axle, green arrow, can get in the way. Pull down on the gray tab, red arrow, then press it in and separate the wiring connection. Here's what the tab, red arrow, and connection looks like once it is off the CPS. Use an E10 socket with some extensions and remove the single screw, red arrow, holding the retainer and the CPS in place. With the screw removed, you can see the retainer, red arrow. Pull the crank position sensor straight down and out. Transfer the retaining tab to your new sensor, red arrow. Check that the mounting area is free and clear of any dirt and debris. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.